Hey everyone, I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews. Of course, a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. Now, this is kind of a different review. I initially clumped this review together with a larger review of some of my favorite fountain pens. That larger video is up here. You can go and check that out. But today, this review is going to be my full thoughts, pros, cons, everything, my full version, extended cut version of this review of this fountain pen. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in any of these, definitely check out the links below. Enjoy. All right, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Let's go to the first suggestion, and this is on a very inexpensive pen. And my first suggestion is the Amazon Basics pen right here, obviously from Amazon. Now, this is the cheapest pen on my list. I realize that there are cheaper options out there, but I think that this is probably the cheapest option that I would recommend for the quality that it provides. This is less than $10, and that by itself is amazing. And though I would not say that it compares with some of the higher price point pens that I have, it really packs a punch with value, and you would not know this is $10 if someone just handed this to you. It writes pretty well, has a lot of feedback in the nib, almost scratchy to a point, which I kind of expect that for a $10 pen. And I have this in a medium point. The cap is postable on the barrel, and when you fasten it back, it just snaps shut. This has a really nice weight to it. I love the kind of classic look this has. It's kind of a no-frills look, but I like that. The pen comes with 2 ink cartridges that are also branded Amazon Basics. I'm not exactly sure what the ink is. I'm pretty sure that they're just rebranding a different ink from some other company, but the ink itself is also really good. It's a nice saturated black, flows pretty well, and even has a little bit of sheen to it. I don't know if this fits a cartridge converter. They didn't provide a converter with this pen. The body of the pen looks big enough, but I just didn't try it. That said, it fits a standard small international cartridge, and I think that's really great by itself. There's plenty of options for ink just for the cartridges alone. Now, of course, this pen isn't perfect. A couple of things I really don't like about this pen. I'm not sure what the nib is. It's a pretty small nib. I'm sure that if I hunted around, I could probably find something that fits it. I just don't know what it is. The nib is also really plain. Not that I expected anything more for $10. The clip is also something that I just really can't stand. It's a very cheap looking clip, and I don't like the fact that it has that branding on the outside, Amazon Basics. I think if it was just unbranded, it would actually look a lot better. It wouldn't look like a $10 pen. The nib has a lot of feedback to it, so I'll have to polish it out to get some of that out, but that's doable. But overall, for $10, this is an amazing value, and this is something that I can just highly recommend to anyone. If you're looking for a pen to start your collection, if you're not sure what to get for a fountain pen, definitely get this $10 pen. I think this is a really excellent pen for the money. It's a great pen in general. I love it. But yeah, definitely check out this Amazon Basics fountain pen. It's fantastic. I think everyone should have at least one fountain pen in their collection to write with, to enjoy the kind of slower pace that a fountain pen brings. I'd love to know your thoughts though, so definitely leave a comment of your favorite fountain pens. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below on your way out. I'll love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews.